Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a simple screen reader that will read text or anything that you want customly. First we create a project, let's name it screen reader app. We first create a new Java class. Let's call it this class screen reader. This class will be responsible to handle the screen reader. Firstly, we have to create a constructor that, that will take care of the screen reader. First, I create a variable. We need to construct variable private text to speech. Let's call it text to speech. But sorry, text to speech. Now we create our screen reader public. Our constructor. We need to put in the context of the class. Context. We need to put in the context. Sorry for that. For the context now, let's initialize our text to speech. New, sorry, is equal to new text to speech. Let's pause our context. Now let's initialize our new text to speech on initializer. And now let's define if there is an error with the status. No, sorry. If there are no error first, if there are no error, let's set this text to speech. Let's set it to, let's set language, local. You can choose any language here. Let's put it US. Oops, so US. That's good. We have already created our text to speech constructor. Oh, why there is an error? I think we need yes, a column, semicolon. Now let's create a function that will where we pause our string to speak. Let's public, like always, public void because we want anything. Let go speak. The function will go speak. We pause the string text. Then we call a variable text to speech dot. We need to use the function speak, and in this function speak we pause the text. Then as you can see we need to pause these variables. These would be text speed dot q flush. Then will be the is that it. Yes, that's it. We don't need any more variable. Uh, yes. See something that I have to add more. Yes, now it's good. No, sorry. I made a mistake. That should be there also. My bad. That should be there also. Now we are good for our class. Now, let's make this simple for now. I want my text to speech to read this text, to read the text. I put an ID. Let's call it and I don't know what to do. Hello world. I want to make it read this text. Hello world. I am reading this text. Good. I want program when I click on this to read this text. So I want to call this ID in my main class. For that, since you text, we need to text you. Let's call it uh, let's call it btn also. Mm. I'm not using too good naming convention, but when if you have to do, please use good naming convention or the let's now let's call it btn. Now let's give a unclick listener so that when we click on it, it chooses action. You will click and then waste. That you click on move, suppress, so classic. Uh, I think this should be up here. That's better. Now we need to get this text. To get this text, we store this text. We need to store this text in this in our variable text we dot btn dot get text dot to string convert to string. Oh yes, I forgot to do something. Let's inshallah this close object here. Let's call it screen reader. Inshallah, it is equal to new screen reader. For the context is this clause. And now we just need to go our reader dot speak. We're pausing the text. That should be good to go. Now we run to test the program. We get back to you when the app run. Now that the app has finished loading, let's test it. If I click on it, it needs to see this text. Let's zoom it a bit to see this text well. Click, we have one click.
Hello world, I am reading this text.
I don't know why it didn't work at the same time. Let's try again.
Hello world, I am reading this text.
I don't know why it didn't work in the first time, but now it's working.
Hello world, I am reading this text.